In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Discord server. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now what you need to do is to open your Discord app, or you can log in. If you do not have the app, you can log in using any browser. Then once you are in your Discord, you are going to click on that plus icon on the farthest left. You will see the plus icon. Just tap on it, then create my own. You can choose the people that will be in your server. So we have two options there. We have for me and my friends, then for a club or community. So I'm going to choose the second option, for a club or community. Then you can enter the name of your server. Then click on create server. Then this is the link of your server, which you can share with any person. So you may copy it and paste it somewhere safe where you can use it to share to others. So once you've done that, you are going to skip that. Then the server has been created. So this is your server. Now if you go back to home, at the top there you are going to see your server there. So that's it guys. That's how you can simply create a Discord server. If you found value from this video, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.